Our new car out.
Okay.
I don't see it.
Look it.
Yeah, woo, it's cool. So you don't need a key.
No.
You're lucky. Whoa, do something. See that on the screen? Mom got a new car today. Seat.
What?
Can you do something with my seat?
I don't know. What do you want me to do?
See that on there? Or is that just for your seat?
Oh, that's just for the...
Let's keep this forever. And never getting rid of it.
Well, we gotta take good care of it. We gotta keep it clean.
Woo! Woohoo! I love this. So you replaced your Jeep?
Yeah.
Did you got everything out?
Yep.
Good. I don't want to leave things behind.
See a Baza?
Nope. Hey look, seagull. Hi, seagull. Oh my god. So you like your new car?
I love it.
Barry's right station,
Let's take this out. Alright. Man. So guys, we live in Mason Road. Now this is our new thing. We live in the 19th. And Mason Road and our house is in 19th. See? 19th. And now this is our new thing. You can come and visit me about my YouTube channel. And Mom's just talking to the neighbors, our neighbors. Let's go. Like Harley, oh man, Harley's just barking and barking. Harley, why are you barking? Harley, we just went to get a new car and now you're starting to bark. Come on, bye Harley. Bye Harley. You're going up. Match Sadie. Okay, I'll leave them alone. I think they're under the bed. Thanks for watching.